In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get cash from Affirm virtual card. Step by step, 2025. First, an important note before we start. Affirm virtual cards are designed for purchases, not direct cash withdrawals. You can't take the card to an ATM or a bank and pull money out. That said, there are safe, practical ways to access cash indirectly as long as you follow all terms and understand the fees involved. Option 1 is to use your Affirm virtual card for a cash equivalent purchase. The idea here is to buy a reloadable prepaid card or a general purpose gift card like a Visa or MasterCard branded card, and then turn that into cash if the card allows withdrawals. Choose a reliable retailer such as a big box store or a major online marketplace. When you generate your Affirm virtual card, enter the amount you want it to cover and include sales tax and any activation fees so the transaction doesn't get declined for being over the limit. At checkout, use your virtual card details just like a regular card: number, expiration date, security code, and billing zip. After you receive the reloadable or gift card, activate it if required. Some reloadable cards let you set a PIN and withdraw cash at ATMs, though fees and limits are common. Not every gift card supports cash withdrawal, so check the terms on the packaging or the issuer's website. Keep your receipt and be mindful of extra charges. Option 2 is to send funds to a trusted friend or family member using a platform that accepts card payments at checkout, such as PayPal, Cash App, or Venmo when available. Use your Affirm virtual card during the checkout process, then ask your trusted contact to withdraw the cash and hand it back to you. Only do this with someone you know well, as scams and chargeback disputes can happen. Confirm the platform's fees and limits, and consider a small test amount first to make sure the payment method is accepted. Option 3 is to use the card for essentials instead of pulling cash. You can pay for groceries, fuel, utility bills, or other online purchases directly with your Affirm virtual card. Covering these necessities with the card frees up your actual cash for situations that truly require it. A few final tips. Always review the terms for your Affirm loan and the card you purchase, track your repayment dates, and keep records of receipts and confirmations. If a purchase gets refunded, your virtual card may close and your loan will adjust. When in doubt, check the Help Center for the latest rules and accepted uses.